Hi. There's a bait. Well, I was just walking, hiking with Akira, and I didn't know this dead baby bird right here. What a shame. That's pretty gross. Hey, stop! Yeah, that's definitely dead. I don't know how it happened like that. I mean, I don't see a nest anywhere. But it looks like, I guess, it was attacked or something. Dropped by his mother or something. So I guess I can probably just bury it. What a shame. Rest in peace, little birdie. Alright, so I'm down at this little area. I dug this little hole for that bird. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's dead. I don't feel any movement. So, rest in peace, little bird. Just want to make sure I dug a hole deep enough so no predator can get into it. Poor little bird. Rest in peace. I know your mother is going to be sad. I'll mark you right here so I remember where it was. And let me get some more flowers for the little bird. Look here, you got anything to say? Rest in peace, little bird.